Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are all about curb appeal, specifically the power of beautiful wooden front doors with glasses. These stunning entries not only add warmth and character to your home, but also bath your entryway with natural light. Whether you're drawn to a classic or contemporary style, we've got some captivating ideas to inspire your next door upgrade. Let's begin with timeless elegance. A solid wood door with a classic 6-panel design and a single arched transom window at the top is a crowd pleaser. This style complements colonial, Georgian, and Victorian homes perfectly. Consider a rich mahogany finish with clear beveled glass for a touch of sophistication. For a modern aesthetic, embrace clean lines and minimalist design. A sleek, flat-panel wood door with a large rectangular window insert in frosted glass creates a striking entrance. This style works beautifully for a mid-century modern and contemporary home. One way to maximize natural light is to incorporate full-length side lights flanking your front door. These vertical windows bath your entryway in sunlight and create a sense of spaciousness. Choose clear frosted or textured glass depending on your desired level of privacy. For a truly unique entryway, explore doors with geometric glass inserts. Square, rectangular, or even triangular shapes add a touch of modern whimsy. This style is perfect for contemporary homes or those who love an unexpected detail. For a touch of history and exquisite craftsmanship, consider a door with leaded glass. These intricate patterns, often featuring flowers, geometric shapes, or even family crests, add a touch of old-world charm. Leaded glass doors are perfect way for craftsman bungalows and Victorian homes. Of course, beauty shouldn't compromise security. Most glass used in front doors is laminated or tempered, making it incredibly strong and shatter resistant. Additionally, consider decorative grills or frosted glass for added privacy without sacrificing natural light. Don't limit yourself to a single glass element. Combine a transom window with side lights for a truly light-filled entryway. This is a fantastic option for hallways that lack windows, as it allows natural light to flow throughout your home. When selecting glass for your front door, consider your climate. Tinted or reflective glass can help to keep your home cool in warmer regions. Double-pane glass with an insert gas filling provides excellent insulation, perfect for colder climates. Don't underestimate the power of hardware. Hinges, doorknobs, and knockers can elevate the visual appeal of your door. Choose hardware that complements the style of your door and overall home aesthetic. For example, a classic black doorknob works well with a traditional door, while a sleek stainless steel handle complements a modern style. Wooden doors require regular maintenance to maintain their beauty and functionality. This includes cleaning the wood with a gentle wood cleaner and applying a sealant periodically. Don't forget to clean the glass regularly to ensure optimal light transmission. Remember, your front door sets the tone for your entire home. Consider flanking it with potted plants in colorful ceramic containers that complement the door style. For a modern touch, add sleek outdoor sconces on either side for a warm welcome at night. Carry the theme of your door throughout your porch. If you have a wooden door with a classic 6-panel design, consider adding rocking chairs with similar slatted detail for a cohesive look. For a modern door with a geometric glass insert, choose a geometric pattern doormat to echo the design. We hope this video has sparked some ideas for your next front door project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!